So this is the one that is not coming on. So what I've done is I've plugged it in. Here, see, it's plugged in. See the red light there. So there's power coming in, but it's not coming on. And when I plugged it in initially, I could hear a clicking sound of some sort. Let me remove it again and try and see if the fuse there is not bent. And then if I plug it in, the thing is, I'm outside, you won't be able to hear, but I can hear. There's some kind of clicking sound on the control board. So we're gonna remove this control board and test voltages. Okay, so I've removed the control board. I can see some bend marks. This is a Viper 22A switching IC. So I can see that this diode looks bent. Or is it glue? But it looks bent here. Here. Definitely there is a problem here. There is a problem here. Okay, so let's remove the control board and investigate further. So on this one, there was a faulty diode there, close to the IC. I thought the IC was bad somehow, but fortunately the IC wasn't affected. So it was that little diode there. It's an M7 diode. It's the way it's connected, I'm not sure what it's supposed to do. I think it's for VCC voltage or high voltage startup or something. I think that's what that capacitor is for. So we're gonna test it now. I'm just gonna mount the board nicely and then test. Right, so this is it. I've secured the board tightly there. You can see. So it has come on. Thing is, I'm outside, so you might not be able to see clearly, but it's on. So I don't know how to use this thing. I don't know. Okay. Let me pause the video and figure out how it works. Okay, I think I've seen how it's supposed to work. Let me start it. I'm more concerned with the motor. I want to see the motor running. There, ready, go. 1, 2. Right, so there the motor is going, is moving. Let me increase the speed and see if it actually increases. Right. Yeah, I think it's fine. I think it is fine if it's doing like this. Let's see the incline, whether it does incline. Right, the incline is working. The incline is working. So this one I think is sorted. This one is sorted, so we're gonna move on to the next one.